Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you my favorite salad recipe. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I've got a peeled medium-sized potato over here. I'll go ahead and cut it into cubes. I'll put it in a pan and boil it for about 2 minutes. Next, I've got my salad tomatoes over here. I'll go ahead and cut them into smaller pieces. I'll cut my spring onions as well. Now I'll add some sweet corn. I'll go ahead and give it a mix. I'll come in with a can of tuna flakes. Now my potatoes are ready. I'll just throw them into the salad and I'll give it a good mix. My next ingredient will be my favorite hen's baked beans. I'll throw in some cooked eggs as well. Next, I'll come in with some salad cream. You can use the regular mayonnaise if that's what you have. This over here is the Greek kind with yogurt. I'll go ahead and mix it gently. So my salad is ready. I've got some toasted bread over here and breakfast is served. And breakfast, lunch or dinner is served. I must say this is a whole meal and it's so delicious. You can see it was so easy to make, so if you're feeling lazy and you want to eat something, you can just toss these things together and have your dinner, breakfast or lunch ready. This is it and I hope I did help you. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends and don't forget to leave me that fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.